Guys, something happened. First time sa history ng Visayas literature. Ha? Something happened. You guys need to see this. One of the viewers here sent me a book. A book! So excited. This is from Mom Cherry. Hindi ko na paghihambaran din. But we've been chatting. Siling niya, mayroon siya daw book. Nga, siling niya manamian daw ko. And since hindi naman na-appreciate sila balay, ako na lang daw. So, yung mail niya. Books are my thing. I don't know why, but for some reason, they make me really happy. Wala man pala basta sa amon pamilya. Ako lang. In a weird way, I'm a nerd with it comes to books, and I love it. I'm proud of it. I'm so happy. I want everybody to read. I want them to be happy by reading, through reading, in reading. Everybody needs to read. If everybody reads, the world will be a better place. That's my mission in life. So, open this book with me. Excited. Sige. Dito lang bala. I'm so happy today. Dito lang gid bala ang nagapalipay sa akin lately. So, thank you, Mom Cherry, for making me happy. Since I'm not always happy in this season of my life. Okay lang. Woo! What's this? Come on. Daan na siya. Oh, daan na siya. Yeah, it's not new. But, nah, I don't care. I'll take care of this baby. As long as it's something that I can read and related sa Visayas literature. The folk culture of the Ilocos region. The children of Lamang! Gosh. Ilocos. I mean Marcos. May mga keys sa keyboard. I need to buy, a piano. It's been years since I touched the piano. It's time to go back to my hobbies that I had conveniently forgotten because of motherhood. I need to go back to my piano. See? So, tanan ni sila i-share ko sa inyo once I'm done reading my book. I still am reading Dr. Cleo's book this month. I'm still reading this. I'll finish this next week, I think. So, after this, nakalinya na to siya. And, gusto ko baklon nga libro. Nakapila na sila. Meron ko gusto baklon nga libro nga tag 1,000 plus. Hindi 1,000 to 5,000 plus. Isa kasi. Thank you, Mom Cherry, for this one. Really appreciate this. Don't worry, i-photocopy ko na yan. I'll give you a copy of this. But I'll just cover this muna with plastic para ma-preserve siya. No? I like this. History and culture. They're my thing. Thank you, Mom Cherry. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Also, guys, in case you're feeling generous, may extra ka mga 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 pesos, 100 pesos, or 500 pesos, any amount. Hindi required ha, hindi required. Kung gusto niyo lang mag-donate, please donate on my QR. Just scan this QR code. Kaya may gusto ko baklon nga libro, but it costs thousands of pesos ang isa kaset. And I can save money for it. Pero dugay ko siya antes mabakal. Pero I think kung nalipay ka mo with what I'm doing, and 5 pesos, 10 pesos, 100, 500, it's not that big naman sa iban. If you're feeling generous lang, kung wala pilit tayo, wala gid problema. Just in case gusto nila mag-donate so I can buy the book that I want. Sa siya cassette, it's a series. So it costs thousands of pesos. Yan. So, after this, I will be reading this. And of course, i-share ko sa inyo tanan ako natunan. Thank you again, Mom Cherry, for this. I really appreciate it.